Hey friends, it's Becca with Beautiful Mess Plans. I am here to do a recipe plan with me. So it's been a hot minute since I've done one of those, and I have not a new recipe. I have a recipe to add into this book from my old book, so we're gonna do that today. So this is my A5 Planner Perfect. Don't remember the name of it. TN. If I remember, I will look it up and put it below, but I don't remember what it is. It is beat up. And it has seen better days, and I do not care. So yeah, inside, this is where I do recipes and meal planning. So this first book is a 12-month book where I have my month where I meal plan, and then I use the pages that are between each month to do grocery lists. And then it, carries on and fits right in here. And then I have a main dishes recipe book from Planner Perfect, a sides, and then a baking, and then a lot of random loose stuff. But we're going to be doing a main dish, so let's pull out whatever we may need. Total time, I don't know how many steps there are. Notes, there's some more numbers. So, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 steps, but I don't have enough numbers. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll just figure it out as we go. However, I do want possibly to use those arrows. Okay, let's just set everything over there. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use. I do know that I will stamp out the title like I always do, using like my distressed ink, and I will use this Alphabet Alphas. These alphas, I just got them off Amazon, and that's the only thing I know for certain I'm going to do. Other than that, I have absolutely no idea. I think I will probably need both sides though. This is the recipe that I'm transferring it from an old Happy Planner book based on the number of things I think I'm gonna need both. So I'm gonna put you guys to music because I have trouble thinking and doing at the same time. And yeah, so let's just jump into it. don't love how like empty it is right here, but it doesn't really matter. So the food one stickers came from this food happy planner book. And then the arrows here and this bigger arrow came from the recipe happy planner book. And then this random quote came from this other food happy planner book. They're all pretty old, so I don't know how available they are, but it is another recipe that I know that we will all eat. Done and in my book, and I don't have to kind of flip back and forth because I've been going through my old happy planner recipe book in order to figure out what we really like, so I know, you know, which ones to move over to this one, to that like we want to keep long term. So there we have it. I think it's cute. It's simple. Don't know that I love this. Don't love the space. Probably could have fit it. Maybe could have fit it all over. I don't know. Oh well. I am pleased enough with it. I can read the recipe. I can use the recipe. So that's really all that matters at this point, right? So that is all I have. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.